Hello once again, wonderful people. I'm your speech fluency trainer and consultant, Olushola Idowu. In this video, I will continue what I started in the first video. Letter E sounding E. Now, there are other ways or other conditions, let me put it that way, for letter E sounding E. And we're going to look at them quickly. So like I said, today we'll continue E sounding E, which is the part 2. So we're going to look at two other conditions for letter E sounding E, and then I'll give you some bonus words. All right. When ed ends a word creating an extra syllable, then letter E obviously is going to sound E. All right. This is one condition that a lot of African English speakers don't observe. Now, it's a very important one. Look at the examples here. Look at the letter E here, it's sounding E. All right, so this word is not started, it is started. Started. Another one here is excited. Excited. All right, now from the first video, you can tell that the letter E here sounds E. Now from this one I am teaching you presently, you can tell that letter E sounds E also. So here we have excited and not excited as people call it. Now the third one here is instructed. Instructed. The E there also sounding E. So it's important to note that the suffix ed sounds id. Id and not ed. Alright, so we go to the next one. When est ends a word having more than one syllable as the superlative form of an adjective. All right. Now, adjectives have comparative and superlative forms. Now, the comparative forms compare two things. Superlative forms, comparison for 3 or more. Now, when est is a suffix to a word that is an adjective showing the superlative form, then the est has the E in it sounding E. All right? So this word is not tallest, as people call it. It is tallest. Tallest. All right? This is smartest. Smartest and not smartest. And here we have prettiest. Prettiest and not prettiest. All right. So it's important to note also that the suffix est sounds ist and not est. Please take note of that. Now back to when ed ends a word creating an extra syllable. I'm going to use each of these words in a short sentence example. All right, so we have started. I started talking to him not quite long ago. Excited. I'm so excited that I can now talk to him. Instructed. He instructed me not to go to work tomorrow. All right? So I'm going to use these ones in a simple example also, sentence example. Now, tallest. My brother is the tallest in his class. Smartest. Well, I think I'm the smartest. All right, prettiest. Okay, now this word might get you thinking, is this really correct? Yes, it is. Very much correct. Prettiest. All right. I have the prettiest girl as my girlfriend. All right. So, now to the bonus words. Yeah, a lot of you know this one. All right. It's basket, not basket. Basket. Here we have wicked and not wicked. Wicked. Now, this is one a lot of people don't know yet. Women. It's not women, it's women. Women. Next we have pocket. Pocket and not pocket. We have letter E also sounding E here. Toilet and not toilet. Toilet. Now this one. Closet. Yes, closet. Closet. Not closet as people call it. But it's closet. And lastly, we have profit and not prophet or prophet. It's profit. Now, this word is pronounced exactly the same way as P-R-O-F-I-T. Profit. Now, for those of you who actually want a better time learning, you know, really improving your fluency, closeness with a trainer, you want to actually get trained, get better, you can contact me on WhatsApp. My number is here on the screen. Also, don't forget to follow me on Facebook and on Instagram. All right. Just before the end of the video, I want to remind you to press the subscribe button and also the bell button so that you can be notified anytime I make a video or post a video. Also, I want you to always remember that I'm just a prophet and my holy book is the dictionary. Every English speaker has to follow, watch, subscribe to my videos. Till the next time I drop a video, stay cool.